Murder on the beat, so it's not nice.
For this life I cannot change.
Yo, what's up people? I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are coming close to your goals in 2018 and making some real gains. So today I'm backing you guys with another short video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an effective homemade mass gainer. So this mass gainer actually has 1000 calories, which is a lot. So you know, if you're a skinny guy or if you struggle to get your calories in that you need for you to, you know, make the most out of your gym workout and build muscle, I know eating a lot of meals can be very difficult. I know it was certainly difficult for me when I first started, you know, but this mass gainer is a way for you to get these calories in your body much easier. Research actually shows that your appetite response to solid foods is actually weaker. So essentially, if you consume, you know, liquid foods, you'll be hungry not too long after consuming that compared to if you consume, you know, whole foods. So allow you to get more calories in your body. So this mass gainer has pretty simple ingredients. You can customize it whatever way you want. It's essentially just got a few fruits, some carbs, some fats, and some proteins. Like always guys, if you do find this video effective and useful, please don't forget to hit the like button, like, comment, share and subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the first ingredient you need is some oats. You can go with the traditional Quaker oats or supermarket version Quaker oats, whichever you would like, but I'm going with Quaker oats. And I'm going to be using 1% fat milk, but as a skinny person trying to put on weight, I would recommend probably using whole fat milk, as obviously you probably have more calories in there for you anyway. And then I would advise you to get some yogurt, whatever sort of yogurt you want, but I would advise probably Greek low fat yogurt, probably the best option. And then we've also got some peanut butter. I'm going to be using crunchy peanut butter, but you can probably use smooth peanut butter if that's what you like, but for me I just like the taste of crunchy peanut butter. I think it tastes better. And then you've also got some whey protein. I'll be using bulk powders whey protein, berries and cream flavor. If you like to get the same whey protein, link in the bio, but you can use whatever whey protein you need. And I've got 2 bananas as well. So those are the ingredients. Of course, you're going to need something to blend the ingredients in, so I'm using a normal blender. So you want to get the 2 bananas ready, and then you want to just literally chop them up, or you know, break them apart and then add them into the blender first. And then once you've added the bananas, you then want to weigh out 50 grams of peanut butter. So remember I said I was using the crunchy peanut butter, so you want to weigh that out. And then you want to get your oats, and you want to weigh approximately around 80 grams of oats, and you want to add that with the peanut butter into the blender. And then next you want to weigh out your yogurt, so 200 grams of low fat Greek yogurt or whatever yogurt you want to use, and you want to add that in as well. And then you want to add 1 scoop of whey. If you're struggling to hit your protein for the day, then add 2 scoops. And then you add your milk as well, and then water just to thicken it up how you like. And then you want to then blend everything together until it's smooth, or you want the consistency which you want. And then you just literally want to pour it into your shaker, and that's 1000 calories right there. So you know, you can drink this throughout the day or in one sitting, and that's 1k calories. Like always guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Murder on the beat, so it's not nice.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, deep off in the main, M&M's, sweet like candy cane.